Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how we can make this beautiful vest. I will show you and you won't believe how easy it is. I will show you the different ways that it has to wear, so you can use it like this, crossed, but also I wanted to show you that this vest is made out of a rectangle, you see? So I just leave the space for the armholes, and you will wear it like this. As I show you, you can wear it crossed or just by taking and putting like some brush bottoms or something here in the middle, and you can wear it like this, right? So as you could see, it has different use. Also, as I showed you at the beginning, you can use it only one side and leave the other side open like you want. I think this garment is basic and it's a must have in your closet. I will give you all the secrets and tips. If you're a beginner, I think that you can make it. We will use only simple stitches and it will be very easy and fast. Well, remember that before we start, I want to invite all of you to subscribe, to give me a like, and to comment this video at the end if you like it. But first I will give you the material list and then the step by step. You will see how easy it is. Well, for this vest we are going to need 300 grams of a material that is between light and medium weight yarn. Not too chunky, but between light and medium, okay? So we will use also a fantasy yarn that is called lentejuela, but this is optional. We will use the hook of number 4 millimeters, and this is the small size. Well, so we will start this vest. As you could see, we will use 2 threads. This is the fantasy yarn that I was saying. This is optional, but we are going to use these 2 threads, and we will start making this vest by one of the sides. So we will make the vest in vertical, and we will start making chains. This will be the length of our vest, okay? So we are going to make first 75 chains. But remember that if you want to make it longer, you will make more chains, okay? And also, at the end you will need more material. So you have to take that into account if you want this vest longer. Probably 100 grams more of each yarn, okay? Well, at the end of the 75 chains, we are going to make 3 chains more. We will yarn over, and then we will count 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, we will start making the first double crochet out of 3 crochet. So we will take 1, we will take 2, and the last 2. So this will be the double crochet out of 3 crochet. Then next to it, taking both parts of the chain, like this, we will insert the hook, and right there again a double crochet. So if we count the first chains that we made, we have 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Then 2 chains. We will skip 1 space, and then next to it, we will start the segments of 3 double crochet out of 3 crochet, one next to the other. And then after we are going to make 2 chains, and the sequence will be like this: 3 double crochet, then 2 chains, and between segments we will skip 1 chain. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, here I finished this sequence, so you will have something like this. You will finish also with 3 double crochet. Then turn around, and always at the beginning and at the end of all the rows, we are going to have these 3 double crochet in the edge. So we will go up with 3 chains, and we will make double crochet over double crochet like this, taking both parts of the chain, you see, like leaving the hook. And remember, where we already made the chains, there we already have 1 double crochet. Sometimes it might be confusing and you would like to make a double crochet right there, but no, we already made it. So we will have this at the beginning and at the end, remember. And now we are going to alternate the sequence. So now here we are going to make the 3 double crochet, and over the last 3 double crochet we are going to make the 2 chains. So in that space, in this space, we are going to make 3 double crochet, then we are going to make 2 chains, and in the next space we are going to make the 3 double crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Remember that the double crochet will be always out of 3 crochet. So following this sequence we are going to continue making more rows. In this case, for the size that I'm making, I will make 15 rows, okay, alternating, and always keeping the edge with 3 double crochet. Remember that at the beginning and at the end we will always finish the same, and we are going to alternate the spaces. Well, here I finished these 15 rows, and you will see this will be the first front. If you would like to make more rows for your front according for the size that you want to make, well, you can make more, but this at the end has to arrive to your armhole, so take that into account. So I made 15, and well, remember I'm making a small size, so this is how we are going to divide the armhole. So we will start again with the 3 double crochet, then we will make 3 more, and then here we will divide. So well, again we will start the row like we always with 3 double crochet, then let me show you and we'll make a zoom in. We are going to make 1, 2, 3 meshes, and we will finish the row with 3 double crochet as if were our edge, right? After we are going to make 25 chains. After the 25 chains, we are going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 squares, and we will start our row right here over this segment of double crochet. So here we skip 5 spaces, and in the first segment of double crochet right there, we will start our row. Remember that always at the beginning and at the end of the row, we will start with this segment of 3 double crochet. If you feel that this part is too tight, well, instead of making 25 chains, make 4 chains more and skip 1 space more, okay? But first try on and see that if this space is enough. Remember that I'm making a small size, so this for me it's perfect. Well, after you decide it's perfect for you and you don't want to increase more chains, we are going to continue making the row as it goes. So we are going to go and then go back and continue over the chains making the row. Well, so here I finished the row. As you could see, I did continue, and here where I made the extra chains, I continue with the same stitch, just that I skip 2 spaces instead of 1 space. Remember what we made at the beginning, because I made more chains to my armhole, right? So I skip 2 spaces, then 2 chains, and 3 double crochet, 2 spaces, and you have to count that you have the same number of squares in one side than in the other, okay? So like this we are going to continue until we have the wide of our back. Approximately we are going to make 26 rows, but you are going to make the rows that you need according to your size and the width of your back. So see you when we finish to make these rows. Well, guess what? I did continue, I did get ahead. I went to the doctor and I took my break with me. So I continue making the rows, but as you could see, I continue making more rows according to the size that I'm making. Then again, I made the same number of segments in the top for the shoulder, then I leave the space for the armhole, and at the end I made the same number of rows for the front. And well, we have to check that in the 2 fronts we have the same number of rows. In this case I made 15, and in the back I made 26. So you have to check that you have the rows that you need and everything. Once you are sure that this vest is perfect for your size, well, we are going to make the edge and we are going to make a different stitch. The stitch will be like this. So we will go up with 3 chains, and well, this is where we finished. So we will start in this first space. So right there we are going to make 2 double crochet together, then we are going to make 2 chains more, and we will come back like this, taking these loops, and we are going to make a single crochet right there to make the V-cut, right? Then in the same space we are going to make 2 double crochet again, so this will be 1 shell, and at the end we will have something like this. Then we are going to make 3 chains. So here we have 1, 2, and 3, and we are going to make a single crochet in the next space. Then 3 chains. So here we have 1, 2, and 3, and well, you see after the shell we made 3 chains and single crochet, and then in the next space we are going to calculate that we leave the same space between one segment and the other, and we are going to make the next shell. So 2 double crochet in the same space, then the V-cut, and then the 2 double crochet, then 3 chains and a single crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. And well, as I told you, we are going to continue the sequence like this. We will skip 1 space, 3 chains, single crochet, and then 3 chains, and then the V-cut. So well, I will continue like this, making this row. This will be the edge, and this is how I will decorate my project. So see you at the end, and well, this is optional. This is if you want. Well, so here I finish. I made to make this row all around my project. Here in the armhole I made a single crochet. I made the same in the other armhole too, and now that we finished, I suggest that you iron your project, that you use a humid fabric and then you put the iron, but I suggest that you barely touch the iron with your project. Just also make sure that you put all the picots in their place and all the stitch, and you will see it will look so pretty after you iron it. You will tell the difference. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you have enjoyed making this vest with me. I love the result. As you could see, it's so easy with just making one square and leaving the spaces from the armhole. You will get this shape. Remember that if you want, you can make it longer or shorter or with the sleeves. Please don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe, and to stay tuned for more videos. Also, follow me on all my social media. See you there, and thank you for watching this video until the end. Take care. Bye bye.